I've got some new toys to show you. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson. Welcome back to a new video where I teach all about design, creativity, sharing different things. A lot of it's to do with hand lettering and design, but today I'm going to be geeking out with you over some new tech items that I bought. So if you want to see more videos like this, click that red subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any content. But over the past few months, I have been slowly hoarding a lot of technology. The only reason as to why I'm doing this is one, because it's nearly the end of the tax year, so that means that I have a bit of a justification on splurging a bit of cash to get some new technology that I've wanted, and that started off with getting a new laptop when I was in America. I got the new MacBook Pro, nice 15-inch one, and can I just say, I'm going to do a video on this itself for designers if you're ever thinking about it, but it's just an amazing piece of equipment and it will last you a long time. Then I bought this new audio recorder, which was kind of weird, but I liked it. It helps me record audio in a better format. I then bought a microphone and a GorillaPod for this camera, but I bought other things as well during this time. Don't worry, I did buy food and everything else, and Naomi made sure I was fed. But something that I've been umming and ahhing about for a long time is getting a drone. Now, the way that I explained to Naomi about my technology purchases over the past few months is that I have got a list of things that I knew I wanted to have take my business to the next level. So for instance, I bought the Canon 60 Mark II, a lens and a microphone and stuff like that to enhance my video quality. And the main reason why I bought this camera, because it is really expensive, but the reason I bought it is because it's full frame, I can take it anywhere, the autofocus is amazing, and I love Canon and I've missed it for a long time. The Canon camera was going to take my business to the next level, meaning that I could do YouTube videos out of my comfort zone. I could actually go outside, put a microphone on it, I'd have all my stuff there with me. The laptop enables me to edit videos away from home. So that means that I can travel with this camera and edit videos away from home. Now, when I'm thinking about vloggers, I've been looking at people's setups and stuff like that. I've done my research into the camera that I've wanted and everything else. Now, the only thing that I've wanted as well that I could not justify as much was a drone. Now, everyone knows what a drone is. It's those flying robot bugs that go into the sky that you control with your phone and a remote that allows you to take amazing video footage if you know what you're doing. Well, I thought it would be a great idea for me to get one to play with. So lo and behold, I actually went and bought a DJI Mavic Air, the new one. So guys, without any further ado, here is the DJI Mavic Air and what it can do, and my attempt at creating some very cinematic footage with this drone with cool music in the background. And by the way, if you're slightly freaked out at the difference between this kind of video and my old videos, don't worry, I'm still doing my old type of videos. It's just sometimes I get these creative flares where I want to do a different kind of video. So I'm not too sure how this is going to be received. Okay, let's roll that B-roll. Let's do it. go, there's some of my amateur cinematic shots that I took with Mavic Air. I'm a technology nerd, I love new tech items, and it is just so good that my job allows me to justify buying technology. If I was to ever meet a company kind of like Apple in the packaging and stuff, it's gotta be DJI. They are unreal with the packaging, the box was insane. I'll be doing a lot more videos talking about tech items such as the Mavic Pro, my Macbook, and my camera and my equipment. You guys seem to want to know a lot about the equipment that I use, but honestly, the DJI Mavic Air is something that is just so fun to play with, but also really intriguing to use. The way that I like to see this is that it gives me the ability to look in a different perspective, and I get that ability whilst having fun with it. Not only that, this thing can fit inside this little tiny bag, and it goes everywhere with me now. If you want to get your hands on a Mavic Air, click the link down below. I'll share some links of where you can get them in different countries and stuff. But seriously, if you're looking for something that is going to give you a lot of fun, but not only a lot of fun, something that will let you see in a different perspective, then check this out, because it's ridiculously really good and it's so much fun. But I just want to quickly thank the sponsor of this video, Squarespace. Squarespace is an amazing website where you can make your own personal website, whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, a designer, a creative, no matter who you are, you can use Squarespace to your ability. Plus, it's not hard to make a website on there. It doesn't take a wizard. You've got all these themes and templates that you can edit and customize. You can make a shop, you can make anything you want. It is ridiculously good for the price. If you want a free trial and 10% off Squarespace, then click that link down below. They are an amazing company and they support channels like mine, enabling us to do more videos like this. And plus, you can check out my Squarespace website down below. It is my primary website that I use, and it's the one where you can find out a lot about me. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe and share this video around with your mates and stuff like that, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.